thank you so much for being here. It's been a minute since I've done some hair, but she deserved a moment. She's gorgeous. I got this hair from a black-owned beauty supply store that I found in LA, literally just Googling around black-owned. I even called the store before, and I met the owners. This beautiful, amazing woman named Tammy, and her worker Mary helped me so much, like literally gave me a tour of the store. It was amazing. They have long hair, the right colors, the right lace. Like they know what's in right now, you know. Definitely tell the difference when you actually buy from the culture. Support ourselves, support our own businesses and our own communities. I'm off my soapbox, but support black-owned businesses. This was amazing. I will leave their Instagram, all that information down below. Alright y'all, let's get into it. This is the Delilah wig from Futura. I actually haven't heard of this brand, but as the box says, it is a sister brand of Ross Offrey. And I exclusively use Ross Offrey braiding hair, and the hair is really good. So I was pretty confident in getting this brand, and honestly the hair on the mannequin looked bomb, so I was willing to give it a try. The hair was only $50, amazing price point, especially for the quality of hair. It has middle parting, 6 inches deep, but it is only the lace on the part and on the front. It's super long, all the way down my back, yes. Y'all know I love me some long hair. Look at that length. Woo! Ah! Y'all have to excuse my hair under this. But girl, the hat was there for a reason, okay? So just for the video, I'm gonna go ahead and keep my hair braided like it is. But after this, I did wash my hair. You're gonna need a razor, some tweezers. Go ahead and plop that bad boy down. Look at how freaking pretty she is straight out the box. Straight out the box. At this point, I ain't even combed it or nothing. This is just blam, straight out the box, straight like that. I was so excited about how pretty this hair was. So let's go ahead and get into styling it now. Of course, you need to take off the lace. I don't know how people do this on camera, girl. I try my best, but y'all know, take the lace off. And I was trying to be cute and professional with my tweezers, but girl, this is synthetic, and that shit was not gonna go. So I just have to take a few pieces. I use my fingernail as kind of like a little comb, pull out a few strands, wrap my hand, and yank, girl. That's how much hair I ended up plucking, and this is how it ended up looking. Nice, wider, naturaler part. I'm using some classic Got to Be Glue to install, because like I said, I am taking this right back off my head. I just wanted to show y'all for the video. Go ahead and put it down. I'm using some wrap strips to secure it. Speaking too soon. There you go. Some rapid styling strips. I just got this from a local beauty supply store, $1.99. And I love this. It works so well. I was sleeping on this shit. It works much better than like a thing. So I leave it on like 10 minutes. Come bake. Here it is. Ooh, I love how I did that part. It looks so good. So I'm going in with a hot comb while it's not hot at all. Probably had it like heating up for maybe like 30 seconds. But look at the difference it makes. Hot combing the top is a crucial part in laying any kind of wig down, but especially synthetic. Look at that. See the difference? See how flat that is? Make sure you get the back, because that's where mine lift up, right back here. Not very hot. You can touch it. It's not very hot. It's warm. I don't want to leave it on there too long. It's definitely got some heat to it, but it's not hot. Then I am just using the camera as a mirror, so it don't have to be, you know, crazy precise. I like to come down a little forward. Go in the brush. some baby hair. All right, that is pretty flat, pretty camouflaged. Now do a little touch up with that. Yeah. To do my baby hair, I just use my nail as a comb again and pull down just a few strands from that front layer. Then I go in with my razor and cut down at an angle. I also got this razor from Superstar. Now this tip I just got from Arrogant Tay is to pull your baby hairs forward with a hot comb and then curl it and then let them. Alright, this is the final look. I took a little bit off the top here so that the layers would fall better. But that's pretty much it. She is gorgeous. I knew she was gorgeous when I saw her on the mannequin. You know, you can tell. The mannequin hair is always a little cray-cray, but I saw the potential and I was right. She is gorgeous. All the way down. I'm not wearing pants, so I can't come up too far. But yeah, she's alive. This hair is so soft. No real tangles yet. Not a lot of shedding. Took heat pretty well. I low-key burned it a little bit, but okay, so quick story time on how I burnt the hair. After I did my makeup and put this top on, I was like, okay, let me plug it in. So I'll do one last pass, make sure it's real flat to end the video. I plugged it in, totally forgot that I did that. Got on my phone, was scrolling, and then I was like, oh shit, I'm supposed to be finishing my hair video. And without thinking, I just put the hot comb straight on the wig. And it was Sizzle City and it was a wrap. So make sure you are paying attention to your hair and what you're doing with it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, meet me in the comments, and subscribe to my channel.